This thing is the life. 𝐉𝐸𝐧. If you're somewhere where it's hot, definitely want this.
And so, love and appreciation. You make me sick, I want to kill you. Heavy metal music. This is why this can have a massively detrimental impact.
I cannot
on
let
people
them get me.
Because we are energy fields.
Gotta steal my game.
Look at the auric field, it's photographable. This is polluted river water.
That's what they did to all the genius.
Look at it. Because
right?
Water in its base form is an waveform information field, like everything else. This is the impact that we're having on reality all the time, while we think we are powerless. Pollution at its base waveform is just a distorted energetic information.
What's up, guys? This is 𝐉𝐸𝐧 entrepreneur. I just got my little Gianni Versace, my little loafer Versace. We're in a 5-star hotel, guys, and I wanted to show you how I was able to get this hotel for free just with the Instagram marketing that I'm doing. So if you want to learn basically how I get free hotel, free flight, how I'm able to live this laptop lifestyle, and how I make over $2,000 per day with my online businesses, click the link, swipe up right now, guys. I want to show you exactly how I've been living the laptop lifestyle since 2017, how I did over 100K with my online business in the past 30 days. Going to Rolex. So I'm about to go and get my first Rolex. We're gonna look for a Datejust. Let's get it.
Yes, you can do, but I'm just going to ask you to remain in that section to make sure you...
So we're at the Rolex, we're waiting, we're gonna see, it's 0 interest on the credit. So we're gonna see if we can get it on the credit. Then when we have the answer, tomorrow we're going to the 2 next official Rolex dealer. We're gonna see what they have, and tomorrow we're getting the first Rolex for sure. Good old Montreal. I love coming here. I hate driving here.
Entertain a waiting list, but I do have customers who have been patient and are expecting one this year, who I might have to put off till next year because
This is so MTL. I like that. Third and last official Rolex dealer in Montreal. That is pretty cool. This is one of the hotels that I didn't go yet, Hotel Mont Stéphane. And the fact that there's a Ferrari in front, we're definitely gonna go there next time. Fire grill, let's go. Here you go, vlog. Didn't make a choice on the Rolex. I'm not sure. Maybe I want to buy a house. I'm not sure if I want to spend 20 G's. Cannot get it on the credit. So I would need to spend 20 G's cash, which I think, I don't know. I need to look at my option for the house. If I get the Rolex, I need to wait another 2 months for the house. So guys, I did not get the Rolex because I didn't found the one that I wanted. I wanted gold, two-tone with diamonds on it. But item order, baby. I got my first real Versace clothing. I got some loafers and I got 2 t-shirt JV signature, so Gianni Versace signature. And I wanted to take more, but I say, hey, I'm just gonna order 2, make sure they are the proper size, and we're gonna order more. So if you want to see the price, $462 for the loafer, $387 for that t-shirt, and $325 for that t-shirt. Now guys, I'm gonna end this by saying I don't encourage you to splash some money on some dumb shit like that. All right, this is my birthday. I hit a record month of more than 110,000. I hit a personal income record of 31,000 last month, and we have broken record in the business for the past 3-4 years, 3-4 months in a row, and my personal brand as well. I have a record month. I hit the 6-figure bar of making more than like $8,000 something with my ebook and my training. So guys, I deserve that shit, all right? And also, I feel bad. I've been thinking about it for like 2 weeks, and I felt bad doing it because I don't like to splash that kind of money, but sometimes you gotta treat yourself, guys. And not just that, I wanna look good. Now, I wanna look good. When I get somewhere, I want people to understand that, okay, this guy's something, all right? And yes, it's just appearance, but this is how it is. So much love. I'll see you in the next one. Drop a like and share that. Woo!
I am so happy and grateful now that money comes to me in increasing quantities through multiple sources on a continuous basis. I am so happy and grateful that money comes to me in increasing quantities through multiple sources on a continuous basis. I am so happy.
Good morning workout.
That money
when you're frustrated.
In increasing quantities through multiple sources on a continuous basis. I am so happy and grateful now that money comes to me in increasing quantities through multiple sources on a continuous basis.
Pretty cool stuff.
I am so happy and grateful now that money comes to me in
And in the past few months, I've been able to create for myself what I call the laptop lifestyle.